All right, guys. So just got to get through math and then we're done for the day. Um so here is our spiral review. This is very similar to yesterday. It says circle the digit that's in the 10th place. Yesterday we did the hundredths. So you're going to click the circle and you're going to move it over to the 10th place. What happened to my circle? There we go. Okay, so now you're going to take it and you're going to move it over to the 10th place. And so that the number is in the middle of the circle. Okay? Just as best as you can is fine. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click the value of the digit in the 10th place. So is it 8 thousandths, 8 wholes, 8 hundredths, or 8 tenths? So what you would do is you would click it and you would move it over to that box. Okay. So now looking at number 2. I have 4 2/3 plus 1 3/6. I don't know if it's going to be backwards for you guys, but hopefully it's not. So remember, this is similar to yesterday, but instead of subtracting, we're adding. I know, boys and girls, it's a little hard for me to tell which way I'm going. I know that 2/3 cannot be added to 3/6 if the denominators are not the same. So I have to use the big 1. Again, I know that 3 multiplies into 6. So I'm going to do my big 1. So I have to do 2. Can you see it? I don't even know. 2/3 times the big 1 equals blank over 6. Can we see that? I don't even know. Hello? Does it work? I'm still figuring it out too, guys. Okay, so now I know that 3 times 2 is 6. So that means 2 times 2 is 4. Now my new number is 4 6. So I can do this. 4 and 4 6 plus 1 and 3 6. 3/7. What am I doing? 3 6 equals, remember, you add your fractions first. 4 6 plus 3 6 is 7 6. And 4 plus 1 is, let me see it. I don't even know. How's it looking? And then 4 plus 1 is 5. For my friends that want to challenge themselves, this is improper. You can leave how's this working? You can leave the answer like this. Here's my face. You can leave the answer as 5 7/6. Or if you want to challenge yourself, figure out what the new answer is going to be. Okay. Then you need to solve by subtracting, and you're going to type your answer here. Number 5, Anna has 26 candies. She wants to put all of the candies into bags. If each bag can hold 3 candies, how many bags will she need to hold all of the candies? Boys and girls, if I have 26 and I have to split it evenly into bags, here's my picture of my bags. I don't even know. Can you guys see that? I don't even know. Oh my God, look at that little tiny bag. All right, and I'm going to put it into the bags, and each bag gets 3. How many bags is that? So what am I going to do? I'm going to divide, right? I'm going to divide. If I have any left over, so let's say, for example, I did 26 divided by 3, and I got, let's say, 12.3 as my answer. That's left over. So I don't need 12 bags. I technically need 13 bags. And again, I don't know if this is the answer. It's 10 o'clock at night. Ms. Peterson is tired. I'm not sure if this is right. But I'm just trying to explain that if we have any left over from 26, if I have 3 left over from 26 or whatever number I have left over, it's not going to be 12 bags. It's going to be 13 bags because I'm going to have these 3 left over. And we don't want to leave them left over because they're saying that they need bags to hold all the candy. So even if there's 1 left over, you're going to need that many bags to hold on to it. Okay? Now we have our slide our daily spiral, okay, with our decimal of the day. You guys know what to do. The quick check was crossed off because we have not learned that yet. If I'm looking at the spiral review, it says last week, Vincenzo jogged 3.5 miles during the week and 5-6 miles on the weekend. This weekend, he jogged 0.3 miles less than last week. How many miles did Vincenzo jog this week? So, I have 3.5 plus 5/6 minus, because it says he jogged 0.3 miles less. So that means less. Okay. Than last week. How many miles did Vincenzo jog this week? So in order for me to solve it, I need to change my fractions to have the same denominator. The denominator that they're all going to have, boys and girls, is 30. So I have to change 1/2 times my big 1 equals blank over 30. 5/6 times my big 1 equals blank over 30. Then I'm going to add these two together. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm sorry. Then I'm going to add these two together. Then what I have to do is whatever answer I get, I have to take 3/10 times my big 1. It's going to be 30. So then I need to take my answer from here, and subtract this answer from it to get my total. Okay, that's going to be my total answer. So then again, when I add, when I add these two and I get this answer, I have to subtract this from that to get my final answer here. All right. Remember, guys, you can pause this video. You can pause it and go back to it and rewind it anytime that you need to in order to solve the problems. Okay. Now the next slide. This is just something, fun, whatever, just a little bit of like a brain teaser. If you go to the math market, which we might have to be doing soon, Miss Peterson might have to learn how to cook soon. So here's the math market. So if you click on this next slide, I'm going to move my little mouse again because it's over here too. So you guys can see right here, it's also here and it's also on this slide as well. Again, zoom in. You buy 2 boxes of cereals. How many servings do you have? So look, boys and girls, it tells you over here on the side. Here is my cereal. This is what it costs, and this is how much it serves. So it serves 16. So let me go back over here to show you guys. So it says, how many servings do you... I don't want that. Darn it. This is a problem. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. So it says, how many servings do you have? So if I buy 2 boxes, I would be 16 times 2, or I could do 16 plus 16 to get my answer. And what are you going to get? That's what you're going to put. Then it says, how much do the 2 boxes cost together? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll over. It says it's $2.25 plus $2.25 equals, and then I put my answer. What combination of bills and coins would you use? So again, we have our dollar bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, $20 bills. We have, what the heck was that noise? Eek! We have pennies, nickels, which are 5 cents, pennies are 1 cent, dimes are 10 cents, quarters are 25 cents. So what would you use? If you eat 1 serving each day, how many days would your purchase last? So you're going to say to yourself, if I eat one serving a day and I have how many servings, right? If you have 32 servings and you eat one serving a day, if I do 32, and then here is where you would put your like a special character, if you guys can see. So I would type in here divide. Why is it not showing up? There it is. I put in divvy and it showed up. Okay, the division symbol, you click on it and look, it showed up. So 32 divided by 1, because I eat one serving a day, equals 32. It's going to be 32 days. All right. So now here we go. You have a coupon for $1.50 off the frozen pizza. How much is it now? So I look at the frozen pizza. The frozen pizza. Where are you? Where are you? Am I losing it? Where's the frozen pizza? Is it on here? Do I need to go back? Let me go back. How's that? Guys, where's the frozen pizza? Is it on here? Oh my God, it's right there. Wow. Okay. So what I would do is I would do $7.24 minus $1.50 to get my answer. You hand the cashier a $10 bill. What's the change? So you would do $10 minus the total that you got up here and write your answer. Using the change that you received, what can you buy from the math market? So now whatever you have left over here, look how much it is and see if you can buy other stuff. Now, fruits and veggies. You buy a package of strawberries, bananas, and grapes. How much do you spend, right? Add it all together. If you bought a pre-made fruit salad at the store, the price is $14.99. How much do you save making your own? So you would do $14.99 minus the total that you got up here to get your answer. When you get home, you realize you need one more package of strawberries and 2 bunches of bananas. How much do you spend on the items? So you would do strawberries, the price of the strawberries plus bananas to get your total. Okay? So mom sends you to the store for dinner. She asks you to buy chicken, broccoli, and macaroni and cheese. How much do you need? How much money do you need? So you're going to add them up and you're going to tell mom how much you need. She gives you a $20 bill and asks you to buy food for Fido if you have enough. Do you? Explain. You would either say, yes, I have enough because I only spent amount and the dog food is $13.43. Or you would say, no, I do not have enough because I spent and the dog food is too expensive. Okay, so you would fill it in and then you could highlight the answer that you want to get rid of and hit delete. Okay. Finally, oh goodness gracious. So finally, you guys can pick one from each category. You're going to email Mrs. Peterson your 2 choices that you're going to complete today. I'm going to go on and check. Please, you can go on to ReadWorks, Common Lit, Epic, iReady, Reading, Freckle, ELA for reading. For math, Prodigy, iReady Math, Freckle for math. Really try to be on for at least 20 minutes. I really will be checking, and you guys know when you're done, you're going to hit the share button up here. So here's share. You would start typing in Michelle Peterson. There I am. You would click on it and then you would hit send. Okay? I think that's it for today. I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Again, if you get stuck, Google Classroom only if you need help, not for conversations. All right. I miss you guys. I hope everyone is taking care of themselves. Remember, we're all in this together. Do your best. Miss Peterson is going to be proud of you no matter what. I just ask that you guys do your best. Okay? All right. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.